Hi, I'm Nara from Stockhead, and we're here at the Market Insights event in Noosa, Queensland. Here with me is Alex Passmore, CEO of Ora Gold. Thanks for joining us, Alex.
Pleasure, Nara.
Let's get started with an overview of the company and why you think it should be on every investor's watch list.
Sure, thank you, Nara. So Ora Gold is a junior Australian-based gold explorer and developer. The key project of the company is the Garden Gully Gold Project near Meekatharra in Western Australia. So the project is well located. It has 3 operating gold plants within trucking distance of the project. So that really helps us when we're looking at development options. The project itself is a substantial project, so it's 217 square kilometres in ground size. The project is made up of a series of mining leases and exploration licences. So those mining leases really give us a head start in terms of development options. So native title agreements in place, mining leases granted, so we're well advanced compared to many of our peers.
The Australian exploration and development sector is facing cost and funding challenges. How are you navigating through these?
Sure, so that's right, it is. There's been somewhat of a capital strike recently for the explorers. So the developers and explorers are still reliant on capital markets for their funding, whereas producers can turn to internal treasury to fund their projects. So, we are very much at the whim of the markets, and higher interest rates and higher capex and higher opex is definitely affecting that. Now, our project is high grade, and so in any development scenario will be high margin. So that sets us apart, and that will really help when it comes to developing, being able to show that high margin and low capex nature of a development.
And looking ahead, what can investors expect in the next 6 months?
It's been a busy year already, so we've been drilling pretty much for most of this year. We'll continue to drill up until the end of the year. We've got a resource update or upgrade plan before the end of the year. We're building up the team. We're looking at development scenarios, so plenty of news and news about how we're bringing the Garden Gully project into production in the future.
That was very insightful. Thank you, Alex. Looking forward to following the story.
Pleasure, Nara.